Now I would like to present our Stewardship Award, which is given to a person or organization who works to preserve a historic site. This year, the award goes to the City of University Park for the preservation of the Loma Linda Wall, or what is commonly known as the Mockingbird Wall. Along a 2-block section of Mockingbird Lane, between Douglas and Loma Alto, sits a brick wall built as part of the Loma Linda subdivision. There's also a section along Preston Road between McFarland and Stanhope. Dallas Development Company developed the subdivision in 1924, and the walls were built in 1925 to mark the boundaries of the subdivision. The walls were designed by architect David R. Williams in the Spanish motif, popular then and used for houses in the new subdivision. The low walls feature Acme bricks stamped with a 1924 date in a simple pattern with tan bricks topped by a red brick cap and arch details. At the intersection of Mockingbird Lane and Armstrong Parkway and Preston Road and Windsor Parkway and Preston Parkway sit 2 small matching pavilions on either side of the street that mark the entrances to the Loma Linda subdivision. They have hip Spanish tile roofs and Moorish design cutouts. On the inside is decorative tile work, and the outside is metal lanterns and Loma Linda signs. The City of University Park has worked to maintain the walls for years, which has not been an easy task with foundation issues due to the bad soil conditions, which has caused cracking of bricks and mortar, and of course, there is an occasional car that runs into it, damaging the wall. The city has worked to repair the walls where necessary, keeping as much of the original portions intact as possible. Replacing damaged bricks is tricky, with a desire to make sure the brick color matches as closely as possible. The wall has gone through repointing of the mortar and repairs to the lights, which are part of the wall. In addition, they have worked on the landscaping along the median the wall sits in, along Mockingbird Lane. They work to keep the trees trimmed so they don't outgrow the area and clean out the understory, and have planted ground cover suitable for growing under the shade of the trees. Their goal is to present a boulevard effect with the wall and landscaping. Thousands of motorists each day view the Loma Linda walls as they pass through University Park. Many may not know the story of the walls, but they know them as a beloved feature and landmark of University Park. The iconic presence of the walls has a place-making influence. The City of University Park could have chosen to let the walls deteriorate, or they could have made poor alterations, but they prioritized spending city budget to restore the wall to its original glory. We thank the City of University Park for all that they have done over the years to maintain the Loma Linda walls and this piece of the city's history for the future, making them most deserving of this year's Stewardship Award.